Sorry, on a different command. So you can see our database is created and it's having the fields. If you check it, you can see the fields are there. So let's try it again. So you can see the loader, then it redirects to the login page. So if you check it, you can see it has come in. Well, let's make it 2 seconds. So let's use that same user again and let's see what it says. So you can see email already exists. So let's change the email to clever one. And you can also see the password. So let's change it. So you see 2 seconds. Then it redirects to the login section. So we are done with the sign up. So let's now work on our uh, login side. Okay, so let's go to the login. So this one, we are going to have the same thing. Okay, so now let's move this here. Okay, so some fields we are going to need the same thing. So let's start with the validation, the defaults, and this whole thing also here. So then going to have this here. Okay, so let's get started. So this email password. So we are going to get our values. Email and password. So we are going to now connect to the database. So have our connect to database. So let's import our functions. Let's also import our validation. Okay, so we are done with the imports now. So let's have connect to database. Let's have our DB part. Then to check if the database exists. If that failed, the email already exists in the database. So in this place, the get user, we are getting that user. If the email already exists in that database, we are getting that user from the database. So as you saw here, we are now using a dictionary. So we are going to write a function to compare if the password and the password is also the same. Now I'm going to check if they are both true. Then we just let the person log in and now move to uh, the, the dashboard, which we'll be creating. So I think that's all. So now so if in case the email and everything is if everything is wrong, let's now bring down one to same for the email and the error message. So now let's also wait for 1 second here. And now I'm going to update this back to its previous form. So let's just copy this. And this is going to be the default. Let me see. This will also be 0. So now let's run it and see. We are going to try the error side. So let's enter anything here. Okay, we've not added it to it. So comment. So you can see it brings the same thing. So now let's now create a simple dashboard. Let's just copy this, paste it here. Okay, so let's run this. Let's have. Okay, looks like I'm displaying the I'm displaying it here with the dictionary is not the right way. So let me just update this side. So from this side, okay, so now let's run it again. So now this should work. Okay, so this works successfully. Then we've redirected to the dashboard. Okay, so we are done with this tutorial. So in our next one, we are going to learn how to create our dashboard. Yes, so that's all for this tutorial. See you next time.